Welcome to Greenville Technical College, where the future generation of programmers and machinists is being shaped through our computer numerical control program and machine tool technology training.
Skilled programmers and machinists are critical to the success and progress of the manufacturing industry, and we offer an advanced curriculum combined with extensive hands-on training on the latest manufacturing equipment to provide students with the best learning experience. With our comprehensive 2-year degree program, we equip students with the skills and knowledge required to thrive in this high-demand field, and we're preparing tomorrow's highly skilled workforce for local and regional manufacturers.
Our shop floor is a hub of activity where theory meets practice. Students have access to a wide range of equipment, including manual mills, lathes, and CNC mills with multi-axis molding up to 5 axes. From shaping raw materials to crafting intricate components, students develop the skills to transform ideas into reality using the latest equipment.
Hands-on training has helped me learn all kinds of critical skills here. Done some of the manual machines as well as the CNC machines, and getting that sort of cross-pollination has really helped me to understand the concepts behind what I've been programming, whether that be hand programming or with software. All of that's just kind of rolled up into one and give me a real firm grasp on what's actually happening.
Precision is paramount in advanced manufacturing, and CNC lathe and EDM machines are at the forefront of technological advancements. Under the guidance of our experienced instructors, students master these advanced tools and learn how to design and construct intricate parts with precision.
We start our students off on manual machines so that they learn the basics and ideas of how to actually make a part. Then from there, we're going to move them on to CNC machines, and on the CNC machines, they'll have to learn all the different controls. They'll have to learn the G&M program. They'll have to learn how to set up stops to make sure that the program actually runs correctly and makes a part that's within tolerance.
In class, we spend multiple semesters working on the lathes and the mills, and we alternate between the two, usually having a project for each machine. And then later on, you get to do a little bit of CNC programming and figure out how the automation works. And that has been very useful for my job.
The instructors are tremendously helpful. They stay late, answer my questions, help me work out a bug in a program all the time. They're always helping me.
In the metrology lab at the Center for Manufacturing Innovation, accuracy takes center stage. Here, students hone their skills using modern precision measuring instruments.
Not only do we teach them how to make parts manually and on the CNC machine, but it's also imperative that they know how to measure their parts. So not only do they learn how to use calipers, micrometers, and even some simple just 6-inch scales, but they also have to learn how to run what we call a CMM, that's a coordinate measuring machine.
The future of manufacturing lies in additive manufacturing, and in our cutting-edge 3D printing lab, students gain hands-on experience using the latest technology. With endless possibilities offered by this groundbreaking technique, it's critical that students have a solid understanding of 3D printing.
There's basically 7 different types of technologies when it comes to 3D printing, and we actually teach each of those technologies in the theory portion. Once they have a good handle on what they're doing as far as making the parts, at the end of the semester, we actually have a class project. And that class project, it is some sort of an assembly, and every student has to print a different part of the assembly. And at the end, that assembly has to go together and it has to work. So not only are they learning the 3D printing, but they're also learning how to deal with slight problems and imperfections in the printing to be able to make the parts fit and actually run.
For students interested in a career in this field, we offer an associate's degree and a certificate in computer numerical control, programming, and operations.
Greenville Tech is recognized by leading upstate companies as the training source for skilled metalworking professionals.
Greenville Tech does a really good job. They provide a really good base for our students coming in. I mean, overall, it's been great. They learn about cutting speeds, how to actually lay out parts, and have a good sense of direction on where they need to go as far as machining the parts and where they need to be.
In addition to meeting the academic and skills requirements of several upstate manufacturers such as GE, Drive Automotive, and Bosch Rexroth, Greenville Tech is one of only a few schools in the Southeast from which Delta Airlines in Atlanta will hire graduates.
I chose this career path because I was always interested in using my brain and also being hands-on My dad was an engineer, so I wanted to do the engineering, designing behind sort of things, but also not just designing, but also building and making. So I found that manufacturing, and specifically the machine tool, you get to do a little bit of everything, the designing and the making.
So I got started in CNC machining because I was very interested in the archery equipment manufacturing industry. So that's my long-term dream, to manufacture, design my own top-end archery equipment. CNC machining is the only way to do that properly. And so that's very simply the reason I'm here, and I'm enjoying it thoroughly, making loads of progress all the time.
Join us at Greenville Technical College and the Center for Manufacturing Innovation to unlock a world of possibilities in CNC programming and machine tool technology. Enroll in our program to take advantage of our state-of-the-art training facility and get started on your path to a well-paying career as a skilled CNC programmer or machinist. There's an exciting future for you in advanced manufacturing. Let's get started.